Hello traders, this is a live market signal generating chart. In live market you will receive calls. For example, today in Bank Nifty 1 minute chart at February 14 we have received a buy call. So green color signal open, buy at 41,390, that straight white color line, that is our entry point line. The first target and second target line are above green color line, below red color line is the stop loss line, important one. First target range is more than 100 point, 41,493, 103 point. Second target is more than a 200 point range. On daily basis, we are doing calls, automatic generating calls, videos in our channel. You can check in our channel also. And we recommend only first target range, and second target will be optional. Only if you have own opinion, you can go for second target range. But nowadays market movement are very slow only. Even up to 11:30 today we have faced a very slow momentum. After 11:30 some movement happened, so upper side momentum breakout buy call generator. It's automatically analyze the candle movement, automatically analyze the market movement. According to the breakout you will receive calls in live market. Today that buy call also, after 1 hour of the market momentum, it finally break out the first target range at 12:45, and in 5 minutes market started to move in upper side direction also. But 41,500 has a huge resistance and it took some time to break out. Due to this long time, the option chart started to blow in downside. As you can see, 41,500 weekly option chart, coming week expiry, at 165 the buy call generator, but after the buy call generator 15 point came down 15, okay, and then market started moving the bullish momentum, and market move all the way up to the 200 range, and market pick up a high of 215 also. Like this today buy call generator, and the direction has been happened. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.